Hi there, my name is Jenny, founder of Planner Perfect. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, you are not gonna wanna miss this one. It's the 2021 January sub box reveal. Before I flip you around and give you a legit unboxing, I wanted to share some of what I was feeling when I did create this box. 2021, the beginning of it, January, it's always a remarkable time because it always kind of represents and it's a symbol for fresh new starts and beginnings. And we all know that this January, more than any other as of late, this is going to be a nice big one to kind of get a fresh new start into the new year. So when I went to paint and think about what I wanted for the planner, the journal, the stickers, the tip-ins, all of it, I wanted there to be a different feel, just a little bit of a different feel. And I wanted it to, I didn't want to paint a birdhouse. I wanted something to be representative of it being the new year. I wanted tip-ins that made some statements. I wanted, washi that was cute and perfect. And my stickers, same thing. It had to bring an element of fresh new and of making a statement for 2021, and then also the cozy element that winter brings. So without further ado, girls, let's get started. Okay, girls, here we are. We're back. Let's just dive right into the box. So you guys do get crinkle paper, of course. Now, all of this is not how it is packaged. And I did that just for ease, but it does come in canvas bags and things, and to protect everything. And also even tight cellophane. So let's go ahead and I'm going to move this aside for a minute and start with the books. Here is the January planner. And isn't she lovely? She, to me, I freaked when I was painting her, and I know that's funny to say, but I just envisioned her just being spicy, sassy, let's go. It's 2021, and I wanted her to be for the January calendar rather than the journal, where I usually have girls being our representative for our lives and where we're going in our journeys, which makes so much sense, right? So here is the January cover. Look at, stop. So she's here to represent, and I hope you girls love her as much as I do. And of course, write a better story, she's here for it. January calendar, goals, we've got good 4-page spreads for those, and there you go. The journal, I'm in love with the simplicity, and again, it's what I wanted to do. This is just abstract that I did and painted using acrylic. This is also using acrylic paint. It's one of my favorite go-tos. Sometimes I combine acrylic, ink, and watercolor. This was strictly just acrylic, and same with this. So this is just, my abstract art. And okay, so the beauty of this is it really goes together so beautifully, and I just absolutely love them. The theme is Write a Better Story, and what a greater time to definitely have that be our theme. So here we are. So let's move on to the stickers. So as you know, you get 2 sets of each. This was the first one that I was talking about, where the stickers are going to be a little bit of difference to them, but yet there's going to be some really great cozy what we're accustomed to for January and being cozy in the new year. So with 2 sets of these, I thought they were absolutely perfect. There's a Write a Better Story sticker, 2021's, nice and huge. I've had so many requests for more coffees, and this one's one of my favorites. I thought my Daisy here, with the leopard back was absolutely perfect. We can't forget this old standby, right? Just the toasting into the new year, 2021. We've, of course, got the girl in here. I think you girls are going to absolutely have an amazing time adorning your pages with these. I also have another ones I picked and chose from artwork that we've had that I can pull back and bring into our January year. We've got the hot cocoa, coffee first. We've got this snowman, representative of January, write a better story. Tea, I know girls have been wanting these back. My other coffee mug, some skates, and popcorn, of course, represents, I believe, winter, just with cozying up on the couch with movies. But we might be at the point where we're kind of tired of that, but nonetheless, popcorn and TV is kind of where we're at right now. And even if it's, you know, when it's chilly, it's just what you're doing. Let's look at these tip-ins really quick. These turned out so good. I can't even stand it. I've got to move these to the side to give these guys full credit where credit's due. So again, my vision for it, everything really just came out the way I wanted it to. The remaking of these and their glossy finished edge, yet it's not that they're glossy, they have a sheen, and they're just, the quality is just top notch. So we've got our 2021 girl to represent us, right? I mean, look at her. I want a million of these. I want a million of these. Then we brought back the coffee and she's on our cheetah back, which I just thought was so perfect. How cute is this? We've got the daisy with the leopard back tip-in. How cute is that? Two of these, which is the brand's logo. And I painted this a while ago. I love it. And focusing on whatever is lovely. Part of my favorite verse from Philippians, and with a nice cheetah background. Honestly, amazing. Here, I thought I'd bring Simone in because she's gorgeous and she doesn't get enough headline. And she's representing too. So here to represent, we've got Simone 2021, leopard back. She's sassy. I got both my girls. Sassy. Write a better story. Come on. All of it. All of it. I can't. Honestly, I'm absolutely in love. I hope you are too. These are, they're representing well. My washi, cozy fun with a kick in the pants of the spice. But we're writing a better story. I brought back our hot cocoa, and we've got Frosty here. Now, when I originally had brought out my washi, we didn't have a good maker that had a good sticky back. So I kind of went away from it for a little while, and thinking that I just, until I could find another supplier that could really give me the high quality with my own artwork I needed, I found one. And aside from, we've had some kinks on some of their glitter tape, but in terms of my artwork, they slay it. It's good. It's perfect. It's high quality. It's amazing. So we've got Write a Better Story, which is our theme, bringing this back 2021. This, I really want to make this a staple, so stay tuned. I also would like to keep washi staples and sticker staples that can be used all throughout the whole year. So stay tuned for that. Drop me some ideas down below for comments and what you'd like to see as, planning accessories, because these are always in the box, and once they're gone, and you get one every month. But what would be great that you could just get supplies that would be for any time of year? I know this one would be amazing. So girls, that is the January 2021. Okay, this is it. This is the box of all boxes, in my opinion. I hope you are in love as much as I am. To get started kicking butt in 2021. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video for the 2021 unboxing. Until next time, you guys.